And now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, in this date in weather history, this appears to have been the date of a big significant tornado event during the very early pioneer period in Indiana and Illinois. You know, back when the first pioneers got here, they called southern Montgomery, southeast Montgomery County, the fallen timber country because there was a large swath of trees down from a very large tornado that appears to have touched down on this date in 1805. We had another path where they call it fallen timber country in Marion and Hamilton County, Indiana, and then a track Missouri into Illinois and perhaps southwest Indiana. So tornado outbreaks have gone on for a long time. Thankfully, none in this forecast. But we do have a few scattered showers and storms on the way. We'll have a few very late tonight, early tomorrow morning, then a break, and perhaps a few more tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. We may even have a couple linger or bubble up as we get into the day on Friday, followed by, at least the way it looks right now, a dry weekend, and we hope it stays that way. Tonight, we're headed for 64. Tomorrow, we're headed for the upper 70s, 79 Lafayette, Romney, about 77 at Logansport, Winamac, and 78 at Monticello, Pine Village, and a 79 at Covington. Now, once we get into Friday, still another day in the upper 70s. Not bad. The normal high is 81, 77 Burlington, Lafayette, Romney, to about 78 at Attica and 78 up in Remington. Notice tonight we start to turn mostly cloudy. This is 2:30, 2:40 in the morning. Notice a lot of cloud cover at that time. And I think as we get into early tomorrow morning, few of these scattered showers, perhaps a thunderstorm will pass through. And then we get a bit of a break. This is 12:38 in the afternoon. Partly to mostly cloudy skies, though, and a little humid. And then in the afternoon, a few more scattered showers and storms pop here and there. That is around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. That's about 7 o'clock in the evening. And then they tend to fade away somewhat tomorrow night. But on Friday, quite a few clouds around, and I do think there will be a scattered shower or storm here and there, especially as we get a little bit of sunshine during the heating of the day. But again, coverage is only going to average about 30 to 40% on both days, and we'll start to clear out tomorrow night. Notice early on Saturday morning, we're in good shape. Saturday's looking to be a nice day, and of course, no threat of severe weather to worry about with this. Just some garden variety showers and a couple storms around. That'd be again Thursday, Friday. Now, once we get into Sunday, it still looks like severe weather throughout in the plains up into the western Corn Belt. And I do think once we get into Monday, the timing of rainfall would tend to be in the morning hours, and there may be an isolated severe storm or two with that as those come through. But once we get those through, it'll tend to dry out somewhat next week. Notice the 7-day forecast. We stay pretty close to normal. Normal high is 81. We're going to be 77 Friday, Saturday, 81 on Sunday. And 81 Tuesday, you start to warm up a little bit on Wednesday with 83, and we may be as high as about 84, 85 Thursday and Friday. And right now it looks like as we, at the very, very tail end of next week, on into next Saturday, at least some scattered showers and storms will once again be possible.
All right, you go outside today, it's pretty warm. It feels very summer-like, doesn't it?
It is very summer-like. High so far 80, but we may tack on a degree or two.
Okay, Chad, thanks.
Very nice. Chad, thank you. Straight ahead, President Obama makes a controversial choice.